Alright. Good day, everyone. My name is Arjan Loayon, and I'm here to teach you how to select an age using order by. So, first, um, we have here the code. So, let's select from 3G, which is in our database. Ayan. Our objective is to select and three members of group number 6, which which their age is limit which their age is mataas hanggang pababa yung age nila. So let's try this, no. Select from 3G where from group 6 order by age. Ibig sabihin descend, ibig sabihin mataas pababa. So may limit dito kasi ililimit lang natin siya sa 3. So let's tingnan natin kung ano yung kakalabasan, no. So here's the output. Bena Benaventura Hanilin, age 23, and John Paul Belchez, age 21. John Roy Enriquez is age 20. So nakita natin dito na nagsimula kay Hanilin is 23 years old siya hanggang kay Enriquez na which is pinakabata na 20 years old. So, ayan. Okay, let's proceed sa isa nating gagawin, which is yung magse-select tayo ng mga surname na tatapos sa B. So, select from from 3G where L name. Ayan. Tapos, like. Ilagay natin yung B percent. Which is, ibig sabihin, hinahanap natin yung B. B na, yung mga surname na nagtatapos sa B. So, let's start. So, ito, nakita na natin na sa section 3G is si John Paul Belchez is nagsisimula sa B. Si Crisel Joy Balesta is B rin. Nagsisimula ang kanyang surname which is yung hinahanap natin. Si Kenneth Balcuba and Boric. Proceed, nasa ating pangatlo, no? Yung select distinct. Okay, sa select distinct, ang objective natin is um, makakuha ng representative per group ng bawat member. So, meron tayong 8 groups. Okay? So, ganito yung code niya. Select distinct, group number, F name, L name, age, section from 3G, yung group name. So, kapag nira natin yan, ito yung mangyayari. Makikita natin. Group 1, Justin Kim Angeles, no? Makikita natin yung age, section niya, of course, 3G. Group 2, Carl Steven Apuya. Group 3, Garil Dalang, Desiree Lugnasin sa Group 4. Group 5, Moses Dominguez, John Paul Belches sa Group 6. Group 7, Justin Marvilon, Mark Lester Imano. And that's all. Thank you.